For decades, we have been promised a future without paperwork or PDFs. But as financial professionals, we all know that that's a lie. This is especially acute for servicing documents, the changing names, changing addresses, adding bank accounts. Those long-tail documents seemingly never will be digitized. This is especially acute for your clients, where the general solution has been to upload all of your documents onto your website, hoping that your client can navigate through the endless PDF files to find the right document, fill it out probably incorrectly, and then submit it to your servicing agents. This is horribly inefficient for you as an organization as well, because your servicing agents are going back and forth with clients managing these documents. In fact, there was a KPMG study for the life insurance industry in the United States that found that from 2008 to 2018, the number of life insurance policies went down by 22%, while at the same time, the number of servicing agents went up by 25%. This is a reflection of the operational inefficiencies that your organization is having processing these documents. And it is a direct effect on your bottom line. Imagine if you were able to give your clients a much better branded experience that captures all the data, generates the documents, and sends it through e-signature. That's what Anvil is here to solve. Anvil is not a servicing automation platform. Anvil is a paperwork automation platform uniquely designed to help you digitize these long-tail documents into online forms. Here we have a standard servicing document. It's an authorization for direct deposit for Eversecure life insurance. And I'm going to show you what this experience could feel like as opposed to filling out a PDF. We're logged into a fictitious company called BrightPath Agency, and I'm logged in as Robin Smith. And Robin Smith can take a couple of actions. Let's go ahead and do the direct deposit form. Notice how you're not presented with a PDF, but instead you're presented with a real web form. Everything in the middle here is powered by Anvil. And notice how it looks and feels just like BrightPath Agency. You can embed Anvil forms directly into your website or portal. Not only that, you can pre-populate information because we already know who Robin Smith is, and we don't need to ask him for his information again. There's also validation for all these fields. So that's 10 digits, which is too long. And you can also upload images and supporting documents into the flow. Once I've submitted all the information, I hit Finish and Submit. And Anvil's actually going to take that original PDF and fill it out with that data that we collected. And it's going to be filled out properly, and it'll be validated data every single time. Once the document is filled out, this workflow requires a signature, so Robin is directly sent over to sign the filled out document. Once signed, this document can flow back into your internal systems, eliminating manual data entry because the data flows right back in as structured data. And Robin has the opportunity to download the PDF. Now you might ask, how long did it take to build that? How many engineering hours, how many months of planning did it take to build something like that? Well, I'm going to build it for you right here on stage using Anvil's AI-assisted workflow builder and do it in minutes. I'm going to select this Eversecure document and click Start. And Anvil's AI semantically understands the PDF and then takes those fields and generates a web form for you. Once you're in this web form editing view, your non-technical team can make modifications and modify it to their heart's desire. I'm going to actually combine a couple of fields here because it's asked for twice on the PDF. I'm going to break this into multiple pages. That makes sense. I'm going to also add a bank page. I'm going to add some custom validation. So here, this is actually a numeric text, and it can only be 9 digits, just like in the demo I showed you. This is the same thing, but it's going to be 10 digits. And I can even add new fields. So this is going to be a file upload for that voided check. Now, of course, there is also logic that I demonstrated. So here, I'm going to show you how to add logic without writing a single line of code. This is only going to be visible if payment started equals to yes. Let's go ahead and test that. So now if I say yes, that field is visible. There are also other AI features embedded into the Anvil workflow builder. Here, I can translate this into any language that is represented here using our Anvil's AI translation feature. So we're going to go ahead and do Spanish. And just like that, you can present workflows to your clients in the language that they prefer and are most comfortable with. Finally, I needed to add a signer to this PDF. So I'm going to select the name from the web form as well as the email. And that's it. I added a signer to the signer field. And this is actually a signature date, so I'm going to update that and assign the signer. And just like that, I built an Anvil workflow that is client-ready. Imagine giving your clients a nice online mobile-friendly experience that doesn't require them to download a PDF. Imagine your operations team being able to process these PDF forms instantly because the data is already there and there's no more manual data entry. With Anvil and our upcoming AI features, we hope to make it so that you can upload a document and instantly get a client-facing web form with logic built in. It's like programming with PDF forms. This will allow you to actually live up to the digital transformation dreams that you've been having and actually live up to a data-first future. If you'd like to learn more about Anvil, please come by our booth. We'd love to tell you more about how we automated the PPP loan process in 3 days and how we work with fintechs and insurtechs so that they never have to deal with a PDF again and instead can use Anvil's APIs. Thank you.